We all know that awards are being bought. We all know what the record labels are doing. Because of, there's nothing new that China comment. A person died while having sex. Died, yo, bro. Like, how come? Maybe they should ask Nkosi. He should ask Nkosi about that record label. Nelly Beats and Nelly PR is not going to end well. That's it. You go probably go to my guy. Probably go to my name. Because you know this artist in T, Nkosi has released an artist. We are grouping a young fighter. You guys have to change the road. The young road. Pushing sana. So fair. Then when I move around, watch for me to around. Literally, nazo zisizo kwamba ukuzita nayo ufi achizvita. I still believe Orlando Press is going to win the league. I still believe Orlando Press will win the league. I still believe. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy LBK Rosadi Africa. You know what it is. We are back with another bang. Yo, it's been a crazy week. Yo, I was hoping that I didn't even know, bro. Like, when the Metro FM was nominations got over, bro. I was just like, yo, around like yo 8 p.m. I was like, yo, I'm in Facebook. Yo. I just sing yo. They're saying yo. The Metro FM awards has been released, the nominees has been released. There's been questions that people have been talking about why these people are not in. But I guess I don't know. Marane, don't wanna what the slimes and the episode signs, maybe they will be mad. But I'm like, why was the one mad? Because of if Nagacha can Nestilas like last year. Caprodilla Yamizu, because of other child into mixed it didn't even do well. Because I feel like it was this first when his art comes on independent. Because of last week, we got a video I watched comes on. I have a country film. I have a kind of job. We don't know why necessarily I have a kind of job. Anyway, I don't think the boy was one because of yes, Officer Zulumen with some power. And the album really did well. Yeah, yes, Riga story could you put album Yushmazo. Album Yushmazo the Zulumen with some power. Then again I have this mixtape, I have Sun mixtape. Then now all the children as well that singles with this beast and because yes, so the Shumas are the Mara. I guess maybe time when Richie Abaki Yakuri I should get again anguish because of if je ava kustoda achiyana ngiyabili of course musachiyana nke oba khona ujoins zi venture sera kuzibona ngoba ngoba sina interviews azitha sangake that side phela kha in the state but I guess the market one is the thing like that side ne ango move shatima ngoba ango move that's why I feel like he decided even not to renegotiate another deal because of if the deal was good and it was like why kushuma ndre yekuti urichibire ngana ndre even nende muna zve ahora kuti ngayo he was not gonna obviously he was gonna renegotiate another deal but I guess it was a joint venture because of not wait as the research is I told that it was a joint venture between him and Universal Music Africa. So I guess we don't know really what happened. So I don't know if now he's saying he's independent or which company would be distributing his music because of, he has to have a distribution regulable in a distribution in our beach. So we don't know if he distribution in other way and we don't the problem is that Hana record label because of Everson Sun is not a record label so at these so I guess even though now Kazia was I guess there's national because of we all know how the awards works. Come on. We all know how the awards works. We know the record labels are the ones who will push you to be on the slot there with you. I wanna be on the album of the year, what you know what I'm saying. So I guess even as soon as share I don't wanna so Sarah Kovana. Maramum to a story why he was not nominated in the areas because of you can't because of last year he released a what is it called? Let me check it. Album here is Kill the King, the mixtape is still Kill the King, the mixtape is still kill if we Kill the King mixtape and the Oivisa Katinani now Osman man literally the same week. And that album was topping the charts. If you now check, you top as chart album, yeah, yeah, it is. And there's still album is still topping the chart, but it's not nominated. It's still topping the chart, but it's still not nominated. But now check out Usman Man album you found below. If you can check on Apple Music and check because top 10 are currently South Africa. You check album Milani is on top of Usman Man, but Usman Man was nominated for what? For album of the year, song of the year. So at Zulu, this was great song. I mean, I guess it's because of the record label that he's in. I guess they are pushing him to the full extent. They want to even give him this type of thing. But let me check something. Uri country or Genesis one na ka best newcomer. Ka best newcomer go Genesis. But can you come and Genesis best newcomer? I guess he deserves to be on the best newcomer. Because the best newcomer no one more team from Mawela. Elani and Nimona Nalia Pew. So I didn't think Uri because it was supposed to be the best newcomer because of the only like came to the scene last year. So I don't know wait a minute. So actually let's check the nominations that were busy you says that. So artist of the year we got Tyler ICU, we got Kabza, we got Makazi, we got Meda, we got Kelvin Momo. So only artist of the year, only Makazi, she's the only female. Then everyone the producer. So it's gonna be tough because of Makazi recently winner awarded Tracy for best dancer in Africa. So we don't know who they did because of if Zoraro was go if award is so like artist of the year because of Kabza. If Kabza did last year have a great year, yeah, but yes, he had a great year, but it's not like he had the biggest run like you Kelvin Momo. Because Kelvin Momo last year was releasing bands, and that album Nzako was really, really, really good. You know, his album is I feel like he released I think like 4 or 5 albums, and it was four albums. He released 4 albums last year, and then still now he's still going to release another album. So those are those who be always song. But I guess although when it comes to artists of the year, there's no other way. Because although in Makazi. No man. When it comes to artists of the year, now I feel like Makazi will go the way. I guess it's because of I'm biased, because of the Mubeta, Makazi do higher and in the Congo. So I guess that's why they biased so Congo. So I don't know the mean Congo. So in my nomination, the mean best duo of group. Of course, Makazi short. Juanito Mus and Costas and a daughter. Black Motion, they are there. Shakes and Les, Black Diamond are there. Artwork Sam, I don't know Artwork Sam. And this is the problem as the nomination is known. You will find people who don't know even their song or even don't know what they were doing, but you will find them in those type of categories. But the experts that's only now when I work with the work with the zero, was the Artwork Sam because literally I don't know them. Totally I don't know them. So we don't know who they mean, but I guess maybe they will give whoever they feel like they deserve and the fans have been voting for him. Because we all know that the award is doing. We all know that awards are being bought. We all know what the record labels are doing. Record labels, we all know that the record labels are behind most of artists winning awards. They are behind it. They are the ones who will be paying Payola. Yeah, actually, it's not Payola. Actually, it's just they will just be paying money for there are certain artists to win because if an artist like let's say won the song of the year, of course it's gonna be good for them even to market it. It's gonna be even as though we as well those website I mean the booking single one although one has booking although one has to mean the endorsement is though so this you know that never work with us one cash. That's why this don't mean budget because they know if you win that award, it's gonna be big paycheck. It's gonna be big paycheck if you win that award that they bought you for. So I guess we don't know Rumania. Best female artist, we got Deben Gogo, we got Babalo M, we got Makazi, we got Nontokozo Mkize, we got Kolima Kwango. I don't know her because one is we don't know her, but we'll find her winning. So are there But I guess Babala had a good run. I'm sorry for Makazi. Babala had a good run last year. See, she had the best run last year. So it is what it is. That is it. She had the best run with Makazi when it comes to the best female. Yes, we can say, yes, Makazi, the other best female or here. But when it comes to best female, I feel like Babala deserves to win. Because she had a great run last year. And even a unique voice, she had a beautiful voice. I guess mtu tangu nere ngacheka ramwana tangu ashikuta ashikukwila. But it's the music business, kongwana it's 1 2 1 2 kongwana so ndizvimwe zvine nazvo zvinozvikobeya vatu warongo when it comes to those zvine zvazvikuita kongwana so the best male artist Usimani Mane, Dala Tukzini, Kabza the Small, Tyler ICU, Kelvin Momo. Why MTSU? Why MTSU? Because of it released the best album, Kongwan. DIY 3 was the best album, so it deserved to be in the best artist, best male artist, but it's not there. So I guess I don't know. But best artist of the year, I guess if they don't give Tukzini, they should give it Usman Man. One of them must take it. Kongwan. One of them must take it. You say that they are giving it to Usman Mane or they are giving it to Zara Tuksi. That's it. If they don't give one of those two, that means we don't know because of Kabza doesn't deserve to be a artist of the year. Kabza doesn't deserve to be artist of the year. That's it. He doesn't deserve. So we can't, because of his big and what and Radmini, you deserve to be artist of the year. No, he doesn't deserve. Like literally, his run is over. It's not like a Russell or Richard Singing. Like the artist in there will come up with Richard Singing. So I guess there's a bit and Mara. I didn't deserve to win the artist of the year. And then the other category is the best stylish artist is Mawu. You see the other thing. Why Mawu is not nominated for the best female artist of the year? You see, why is she not nominated? Why? Because she has a great run also. Mawu should be nominated for artist of the year. Mawu should be nominated for female artist of the year. That's it. Come on, but she's not nominated. That's the problem with the award. They don't give you what you deserve at a certain time that you were supposed to win the award. So it's not as it. Meda, Focalistic, Oskambo, and the Van Gogh. Who really took it? But Foka, yes, is dressing young. Foka, yeah. Foka, and then who else? Meda. Also Meda, yeah. We can also say Meda. So, this one I don't know. This one I can't say who will win it. This one I can't say. No, this one I can't say who will win it. And this one got the best hip hop song of the year. Let me cook KO and Magrela Doughboy just so like I think it was wasted you reach up platinum. That means it deserved. Kongwan. This one was not going to check and then the other song video, the Uval, Osman Man featuring Star. I feel like this is the category in our difficulty because most of the songs here in this are best hip hop song of the year. All of them, they are too much. And I guess let me check something. I think he did MT was not nominated for best song of the year. Oh, he was nominated. I was thinking he was not nominated. I was like, what? No. So, and they don't mind me when I'm doing this. I've written the things down like with this. That was things because of those ones only because of because of if that and so on. Those are pass so I'm going to do those bala. So, never I'm going with war. War is my favorite. So, Uvalo, yes, still topping the charts, but not like in such a way that Nidare got to war. So I don't know. But I guess maybe we will win. Best produced album, Mugat Lady but Tokozane Mukize, Finally Famous 2, Zala Tukzini, DIY3 by MT, Mtsako by Kelvin Momo, Snowcone, I can't say this name, Snokoza by Tony Somajai. Which one? This one, I think like this one, should they just give it to Kelvin Momo. This one they said just give it to Kelvin Momo. And another thing, why the Metro don't have why the Metro don't have the, what do you call it? Why Metro don't have Amapiano category? Like literally the Amapiano category. Why they don't have Amapiano category? Why? Like literally why is he why category at the Amapiano is? Because it's our genre. Metro FM is known as the biggest awards put on South Africa after the time. They should have it. Because it's not like they were saying it's a hip hop. It's a hip hop awards. One of the world's hip hop pays. It's Metro FM awards, which I'm a general at. So I feel like if they're saying hip hop has its own category, also I'm a piano has to have its own category, like home and what and jazz. Categories as monkey. So I don't know why but so we just have to see who they do. I mean, if you do that, but there are many albums in as one. Loyal to the Black 25K is not nominated. And it's a great album. And it's still topping the charts. But I'm going to nominate your album. So we don't know what literally what would they tell me? What would they tell? Why are they not nominating the best albums? Why? Why are they not nominating them? Why are they not nominating those awards? Why? Listen, they have to nominate them. Come on. So there's no issue today. Well, just that there was no reason to want to focus on the cards. So this was the ones who do it. I mean, too much with the but I literally, I think we will see which one will win. We'll just see which one will win. With the ones who know which one will win. So maybe it will win. Come on. So another thing I want us to talk about, what I want, then the one is this is too long, bro. Like there's been crazy shit that has been going on. So and another thing, why is Nadia Naga always pushing back the album? Because automatic album we got over Monday or January. Then we waited for the Monday or January. Also she pushed the album back. Now album was read over as 14th March. I don't know, I guess maybe it's part of the distribution is not good. Or maybe she saw that this week many people that dropped. Because if you can check people have dropped K. I can't say her name, but you'll see a K. If it's K, then there's a dot, then there's Kate. And she did something that girl. But it's the girl or it's the boy. She did something. She removed Eris's verse or on the song. I don't know why she removed, but I guess it's politics. I guess it's because of Nessie is also in the album. I guess Eris didn't want it. I guess he wanted him alone. That's why I guess they removed his vocals. But why did she remove Eris' vocals? Why did she remove Eris' verse? It's politics. One is politics, basically. No, that means Eris wanted him to choose, and I guess the boy decided to choose who to choose Nessie. So we'll just see those news an album. But yes, I really listen to it like, and it's a cool album. It's just that the it is an album, no, it's just an album. That's the conversation. It's just an album. Oh, it's just an album. So you can't say, yo, it's an album with this type of hit. No. I haven't seen much hit Kayo. Then I'm going to carry. It's good. Yes, I'm blind. Kayo album. Go on. So I don't know who they meaning Kayo. DJ Tira's really, but DJ Tira's sound is not evolving. It's still the same. Come on, it's still the same. DJ Tira's album sound is still the same. That's not the way why DJ Tira is still. I guess maybe it's because of his dance boom and this. Because even some Amapiano artists are literally the same, but are not the same as we can say like DJ Tira's album. Digital, like literally that album is the same. It's the same with his previous song. Come on. So I don't know, bro. Like we just have to see who they tell me because of the album. Those shoes out there, who can as shoes out there. So zvichiita chiri pakacountry and chimwe chita chikomangaza. There is this guy ange unoenda wasted. So this guy was caught cheating with a girl called Man. So people know him as Msana. So when I wake up yesterday, I was just seeing that guy training Msanda this, Msanda that. In my mind, I was thinking about him. Msanda, it was used to. But literally, oh, it's not him. I told you about another Msanda. So that guy, he invited a girl to his house. Musachi invited, but I was Jananduni then, of course, my damn Davasan, Musadia Buyanga for. But the problem is that where was the wife coming from her for? Where was she coming from her for? Or what? That indeed was also but now Jambula. Kafo. Mr. Zuko Vaga. Kanina Yoko Witters. And literally, but welcome to they are in an open marriage. Manamuta Zhao. So, and literally, nazo zvizikwamba ukuzviita naye ufi ova achizviita zvamba mini itova uri biziwe taidza uchiri biziwe zvayavava nyana. So zvorisadzizorudita mara I guess anoda mara literally we don't condone it. They are guest house for a reason. That's why we have guest house like your Martel village you see. It's for those type of things. So what there's not the question because of we had even the police were involved. They were packing. I don't know. They were visas. You have to but I guess not one so I don't know. Maybe the man was being chased out. Come on. The man maybe didn't know maybe we don't know. Maybe it's him or maybe it's not him. But just have to see who determine. And one thing, why did she record it? Why did she record it? Because no one knew about it. So the whole world now knows about who it and between them. And then literally, it was not supposed to be Urubaba because the Baba was some female and that's the problem with the women. Every time everything happens, they wanna go live. And we really say record. And the problem is that she didn't record, she was not live. She recorded the video, and after recording the video, she posted it. That's the problem with it. She recorded the video, and after recording the video, she posted it. She didn't go live. She recorded the video and posted it. That means all the numbers respect never to wait and come down. Remove our good say. Any moon, she directly Mr. God, Muna God, Munoni cheating, Nabais and a Buddha's Chabachot, wouldn't know cheat. So this is she by saying moon. So I guess, what to be by there in the moon, and then moon to be there. And that's the reason that there was a story that happened in Namibia. That story is so funny, bro. Like, I literally, actually, looked at you, a 27-year-old man, let me just do it like this. A 27-year-old man died while having a 27-year-old man died while having sex in Namibia. The woman reportedly called the police at the night after her partner died during sexual intercourse. She mentioned that the experience was enjoyable at first, but the man made an unusual sound before suddenly going silent. When the police arrived, they found the man naked and wearing a condom. Just imagine the police coming into your house and finding you wearing a condom. Dead, bro. No, I know it's not funny, it's really, but this shit is funny. But like, how can you die while you're having sex? Bro? Like, how come? How come can you die while you're having sex, nigga? How come? What the hell is wrong with you, nigga? Like, literally, what happened? So when the police arrived, they found him a condom. There were no signs of injury on his body. So the past days wait when it comes to that incident because of hi, it's the first time me hearing it like this. A person died while having sex. Died, yo, bro. Like, how come? What happened? What do you tell me? Like, literally, it could just make a weird sound after making weird sound and she died. Oh, what? So we don't know the way it maybe. I guess maybe not supposed to rate which Rene arrest Davy. Maybe that's what they were. Come on. Maybe that's what they was the wait and but really literally we don't know what happened. Maybe but I guess it's part of it. Just that we don't know literally what happened when it comes to it. So people don't as quite maybe remember some sponsor. We don't even know. But it's this type of a case. Of course, there has to be things like your post-mortem, your what. There has to be there. Come on. So we'll just see what they tell me. Come on. But literally, they have to do things like your post-mortem, see if there was any body injuries that zoezizawana akaona mtu wa munhu. Just that the story like this is just going to fade away. It's making noise because of it's something unusual. That's why it's making this type of a noise. It's because of it's unusual. So and then the other thing that I wanted us to talk about, the mother of Chitima has been released in a bail of 10,000 rand. Why did they release it? Because of the know she's a fugitive. She could go. She could run. If firstly she's no we are I don't because the document is not having in South Africa. Literally, she can also fake another document and leave the country. Again, then why are they giving her this amount of pay? 10,000. They should have given her maybe like 50K, bro. Like literally 50K. Why our brother SABC was given a bill of 50K? Come on, why? Why? Come on. So we just have to see what they tell me. So it's not so they tell or man, I guess we just have to see. But it's those type of cases or the cases of premier, they are going to squash it. That's it. They are going to squash that case. That case is going to be squashed. Literally, you got to talk fair, you have a yo. Now, who's on the national station? Like his literally like his squashed your of Perangai. Kogan. Because of fair. Maybe safari gonna be fast to what is happening with the top that case? Nothing. Because of it involves some powerful people. And if there's some powerful people, they will push it to the media, to the full extent. They will make you like to think like, yeah, they're working with it. Can't they are not working with it? They just want you to believe that you are working with it. No one. But literally, they are not. Just that they want you to believe that, this case is our priority. We're doing this, we're doing this. But literally, there's nothing that they are doing with it. So, we just have to see what they tell me. Another thing, guys, do you feel like it is going to end well between Nelly Masterpiece and Millie Pierre? I feel like it won't end well between Nelly Pierre and Millie Pierre. It won't end well when it comes to Nelly Pierre and Millie Pierre. Never in a million years. It's going to be. It's not a type of record label that Nelly Masterpiece wanna be. Millie Pierre. They should ask Nkosi. He should ask Nkosi about that record label. Nelly Beats and Nelly PR is not going to end well. That's it. It's not going to end well. We are going to find out, hey, they didn't pay me my money. Hey, they own my masters. It's going to come. It's going to come, literally. It's going to come. We're going to hear about it sooner than later. We're going to hear Nelly Master complaining that they are not paying him, they're not doing him this. But they're pushing him. They're pushing him. They're pushing him to the full extent. They're sucking him dry, but he will not make any money. He will not make any money. And another thing, why is Babette not giving Nkosi a threat, a hit? Why is Babette not giving Nkosi a hit? Because Babette was given a test by Nkosi. by bonus kungwana because bonus ndiyeni yayabvisanye yatundzusanye babethe but now babethe ochinja side wokamakazi side kungwana ukaka side yamakazi ngeke so we don't know Ruth yani kungwana and the one woman show yamakazi literally yonobvisa artist nti ngosi yani hazini release an artist ndikwambara problem kutuma kai problem kutuma naye makazi yonobvisa artist nti ngosi hazini release an artist kungwana calendar makazi release an ngosi zana daughter ngosi that release an and check makazi is big than ngosi zana daughter is big than ngosi just imagine those combo that's the budget kungwana I guess show yamgosi is going to fail Mukosi's show is going to fail. That's it. It's gonna fail. And people would just say, "Yo, we don't support Mukosi." And literally, it's not supporting him because the date is soon is arriving. Why is he not releasing his lineup? So whatever colors that should be very good, prepare as ticket because of all those tickets that was Kudura and the markets like Kudura and they go to a day after hour. So she should just make sure that she's releasing a shit. I won't do those inches hand, but literally, I guess I couldn't was it. Come on, Mara. If that's going to was it, we have a big problem when it comes to her. Because if February appear, if the 15th of March appear, Mukosi hasn't released any artist, their show is gonna fail. Mukosi's show is gonna fail. That's it. Literally, it's gonna fail that show. So she just have to. Common sense are going to do the because of if Sasa is opera so those that and hopefully they will come back and bad because but I don't think that they will be come back here. I don't say come back. I don't see any comeback from because literally let's have to say it's over for him and that's it. Come on. But you can't just say it's over because unasoma yabo kwe preview amnoba yeah I see it yeah she's still ish yes that I don't know like literally she's unable to find a ways and literally we even our event and we can literally do that but so msasala mkosi but a win we want her to win we want Mkosi to win also but it's just that I don't know bro I don't know what will happen. Come on, but we'll just have to see what they tell me. And the other thing, what's going on with Big Pratham Zanzi? All the people in Big Pratham Zanzi, all those who we thought they were going to win, they're being evicted. First, it was Ashley. I thought Ashley was on the way. She's being evicted. Then Mbozi is evicted. I guess Sweet Glover is the one who's going to win. Sweet Glover is the one that I think is going to win. I guess so. There's no other contender that is going to win. Come on. So I guess it is what it is. She was acquitted. Because of I was thinking, oh, this guy is gonna win an award. There's nothing that is happening. And it is Friday. The album of Metro CMG is out. Atukovanda kuna mshumoni. Atukovanda mshumoni when it comes to album of Metro CMG. Metro CMG sold his soul when it comes to that album. Metro CMG sold his soul. That's it. Because of, there's nothing that's happening. He's promoting himself. It's still the same. I don't know situation lukao. Chineri kuchibona. Fungana. I don't know situation lukao. When it comes to Metro, I don't know situation luka. When it comes to this album, Rosa in a day, there's nothing. Metro CMG just sold his soul. That's it. There's nothing. Because of, you can't sign a deal and still be in that position. Come on. You can't. Metro CMG sold his soul because of we were supposed to be. If that album shouldn't be the topic of the day because of it should be being pushed. As the people think like because if you have money you will be a great manager. Bro, this doesn't work like that, bro. You're supposed to have the business mindset of entertainment. Yes, you can do events and big and what, but yo, bro, an artist need to be pushed because of after people as well as very good music I guess it's because of music was social media then at first 28 were releasing an album and an album is now released. Is the album great? Ariko rabona album isha. Yes, zona track nyana ndozi fando zitacheresa. Ziyafara nyana ziyatakadza mara. Asi album ndingarimini yeshumiwa bro. The producers, Metro CMG should have been taking different producers. Come on, they should be this side go Joe's one. I could push because you can't sign a deal and still be yes. I'm a shower and killing enough about. Come on, they should be just pushing. Put Joe's in a pocket, don't push you. Look over one. It's joint venture. What was the deal? It's they're still doing it with Tito, bro. Now I'm just like literally when it comes to Metro CMG, he just wasted his time. Metro CMG just wasted his time when it comes to that day. Literally just wasted his time. Go on. Otopeza chipinga chao Metro. When it comes to that day, Metro opeza chipinga chao because of there's nothing new that chinero kuchikwa nchini chikwete ya Metro. Shooting a music video doesn't mean shit. Come on. I wish there's nothing. There's no story. There's literally just a music video. They just went somewhere. They're just shooting. Why are they? Why Metro Scopa Demon is good? Why Magavela Scopa Metro is good? Why shoot is good? Is easy. Number one, the raptors over there. The BM is the shoe. Whenever the pole. Come on, this is what support you. But although I was covered and golf, and we're not saying there's something bad with golf. Come on, I'm not saying that. But literally, we're just hoping without elevate. So it's just those type of it is. But I thought you don't draw it and what they push here now Diamond or Chris Bank. And one thing about Adroit, Adroit want to prove people wrong. Like Adroit wants to prove people wrong. Like people like your jail player. Adroit want to prove jail player wrong when it comes to the music video shit. If you don't know them, to jail player I like interview now. Okay, Razman Zion. I actually like interview now. Okay, Razman Zion. About Cameroon. Adroit will tell music video already. I guess that's what Adroit is now tell music video blind. They wanted to show him I don't shoot music video already. In quality. Come on. That's why I guess that's why he's shooting those type of music video. And literally is a perfectionist. I don't know you have this real. I guess that's why there's no shoot music video. I guess they wanna show him bro. Just speaking that's not quality, but right now not quality. Come on, that's why they're shooting those type of things now through it. Back then we didn't have quality, but now we have quality, bro. Yes, back then we didn't have quality, but now we have quality. So the work was going to do it. I mean, even a music video, no, she but the one so the way a music video, come on, the way a music video and the work shuma, shouting, the way you should know the way detail color coding, the way come on, we just have to see the way come on. But I guess, is that matter why people like you Android, they don't just have someone and you will know that this person will just be doing with cameras. Also, those things of doing all things so so to touch when I see money, and I don't think any other one. Sometimes you have to come back. So we just have to so with the idea, no need to do shim lisan. Mana, I just think what Bushman job with the music video to reach even is the essay is the goat. Is the essay is the goat. Is the essay is the goat. Do you know what I'm saying? Is the essay is the goat. Did you see the song that you just released, the Holy Spirit? You hit fit. I'm talking about a hit. That song is a hit, literally is a hit. Holy Spirit is a hit. Literally that guy has a unique voice. Like don't want to waste your body. And me that Jana and Kayla crossover Ajana I should yo bro, what's up? Wait a minute, group like that was the Church America. Wait a minute, you're far. What's happened to that group here, which is the Church America? You're far. I bet I just born as well. What was born last year? It seems like a group of Church America get on the offer. On for me, though, capable boys yokusevi then ilakaingenile ela group ingayofanyana ikachaizochindwa zvauti nyana zvauti voshumisana zvopera then mungari votomuita zvavo izvi omwa avomurapa vatonidaso vomurapa aya mara gesi nditoshumisana ndotovena kamepe yakatovena kamepe rakatorana ke that's why chitori every time if ningoita zvinhu so if ningoshumisana ne then mumwe ava kuita zvinhu zvavo vokana mena mbere pamwe and mini vochikova nezvito zvinozosa if vova nazvispreadsheet zvotoitirwa zvava online or even if ranga arwa zvive zvizopera usinochadivara nyauri generero rimini wezvizvo zvine azitori ha zvopera ndispreadsheet acho nezvimwe zvito zvine zvitoriwa zvaita so I guess tamwe zvotoona uri utoita mana zvotoona sori utoita maybe tamwe zotova sharp mana I don't know I don't know uri utoita mana zvona nezvishama zvoshuma zvavo maybe tamwe zvoshuma zvavo like level ndezvishuma zvavo tamwe yes that cross save naye why don't say much because of yes that cross save the queen mini I guess unazi studio unazo mini zvizinji unazvo ngomwana so that's why maybe tamwe zvoshuma zvavo kai nene munodo vavo tuzatuza ngomwana kuti vana zvine zvotoita kai nene munodo diva akatoshuma zvavo and one last thing ne shit is back on his shit again he's beating people again it doesn't grow up that guy that guy doesn't grow up and literally again he's starting this thing of beating people again we're thinking it's over that thing Ben is back again on it automotive about again maybe nazoto ari kuva namutuna every time achingawo kujiwa video pokoni automotive school yava natona tiatwa wana bad company pokudiya watu lokuva JFD even a single day would never see a bad company beating people then why should she every time he has to beat people up this is your bora mama this is one like he doesn't think about other people so literally you should just grow up she needs to grow up that's it one you should just grow up mental to form a town which has challenge up and dash and go still just which was up there just be to channel with it because we can't live with those type of human beings when was the whole going to tear about as well if we just so they just simply if muta just to school like what the fuck bro like this is why what is the problem with you like this is what is the problem like what is the problem with Semishiti with beating people what's the problem with Semishiti what is the problem with him like the problem is what if he no we can't no you can't be doing this type of thing another thing that is the main zozoita mina like because of let now go and deliver that side I don't know what zozoita because even if we can see they are there to need to we don't see any changes to their things one I don't know changes until in our in America you go down go to Toyanganke come on I don't know changes until it's not there to perform and the problem is everybody Changanke Babo Toya the fashion week in mara zati zange sidange zozo perform bono ba jeche denga kwa isanke awala ba sidange ba jeche denga ba do jeche denga ngoro ba kwa na ngange come on will never see the brothers coming to a sale without any business thing that he or they need mara bala high all they do boyanga nke wa isa charity the fashion week is bring my dinners na mshumo mini like things like that. Let's have to see what they do. Maybe time on because I haven't seen things happening. Because if I check about what I'm wearing and do it shop, it was shame because now shame is going on a tour. That's what the students are told to get. My literally it's not that high. 200 is just good so it has strong one. But literally, Bang and do one watch every time I check. You know what you know with him. How can I go with him? How will you always say children? When the was it is 200, even if it's a club tour, yes, it will go to somewhere somehow. Rather than every time you go on the store and I just for chill, just pick mini ngona so mara literally bone ndibone bone babo to shumo isa tshelede nga nki zwa sizopela why the vasayingi vavo ita zvimwe zvithu nyana maybe tisathusa nyana ngomwana havo kushumiwa nyana dzatesi nyana dzifeature nyana avari kuzvibona bone they're just there. Isigana is here to perform. Even Mr. Close than stuff to perform. Arabona bachanke abo boyo the bonus those some shma. We just have to see what they tell me. So I guess we just have to see what these those who push you. These are those who say what. Because I've never seen anything those guys never boy and give what in South Africa. Chawe to change. Ana china chitichine chari chichibarirwa chewewe nange chabarirwa chiwewe chakuita chichinji umwana hatitibenda kuna chitu. I haven't seen even a single thing where again brand wabona again waibuya ngakuni then sizawuzochinja zvavo umwana hai titoenda bona china chiti all of them zvinowabuya otoya vajazvinepe mini vava kutongisa yo I'm rocking this diesel t-shirt I'm doing this and this and this that's it there's nothing. Yo, and tomorrow is a big game. It's Chiefs versus Mamelodi Sundowns. The fact of Buffalo Chiefs. Sundowns really Diana net. The word Diana net. Buffalo Chiefs. They are going to be beaten up. It is very lose. But I still believe Orlando Pirates is going to win the league. I still believe Orlando Pirates will win the league. I still believe. When you look believe Orlando Pirates will win the league. I still believe. Sundowns isn't gone far. Nah, isn't gone. Look at the Wuya. The one last games there. We're gonna come back. We're gonna come back. Don't know why. Last games. I think when the league is about to be finished, the one got more where so we got this point. I try to tell me mission just post maybe the time you shoot. Let's see what happened with. Then see that show time up a land ne. The show as the point is land ne. When you go south it. When you go south. And the live on the parents. We and the live on the stage here last day is anda. Sunday the stage here last day. Yeah. Rather here last day is also to develop best time point is good in Sunday time we maybe go rato winner he young 1 point. Rekuto the by so come on has the time 1 point the very best but Sunday would really this is even though come on to I to do I should it's not like who lose the match I go the time go to match you go post body so that means we still have a chance come on so they will just that Premier League is gone. Liverpool has won the league and that's it. Premier League is gone. Arsenal always fumbling. Always Arsenal is fumbling. Always Arsenal is fumbling. I never win a league. If it was Man City, we would have quit it. Man City, we believe in Man City. Just that this is in Man City. It's not the Man City that we know. Since Rodri got an injury and Kevin De Bruyne, that team is quite a leg. Even Haaland is not playing as the way he's supposed to be playing. So I was fully with the win. That's it. That side, my team, Man United, other team is back, man. Man United is back. I don't know, bro, like what has to happen. And it has released many players, and they didn't sign any player. When it comes to the Man United stage, those teams in there, I don't know what has to happen to Man United or to be informed straight or to be that team again. To be the Man City that we know, to be the Man City, you're not Man City, to be the Man United that we know, to be the Man City in a team. So it's just Man City, it's just a team. Nothing is going well. It's like Dortmund. This is in Bundesliga. If I change Dortmund, Dortmund is literally currently, I think it's number 9, 10 back there. And we used to know that Dortmund is number 3, 2. Come on. league ya Bayern. But this season we just hopefully league ijoinga Bayern. So my boy can win the league. So my boy can win the cup, man. I reckon he should win the cup this season, bro. I reckon he should win the cup this season, bro. I reckon he should win the cup. I just believe he should just win the cup this season. Because of, if he doesn't win this season, then I should just know that the boy is cursed for real, for real. One, it would be for real that the boy is cursed. But this season, I have him. He's gonna win. Because of you, he's been like the Euros on the final. He's having all the players, but literally still, bro. He's still. He's not winning the league. Come on, still he has all type of players, but still Unigan is not winning the league. Still, they are not winning the league. Yes. Aye. But I guess Barcelona will win the league. That's like just that. Hey, Real Madrid is currently now Tamara. Hopefully, because of recording and as pointed, we are beating it as goal. Yeah, we're gonna be massive. So unless the was with it, I mean, again. Time when I rato Barcelona again. Let's assume Real Madrid. Yeah, maybe Real Madrid. So we just have to see what we do Germany this season. I think I'm gonna do if we won, it will be very good thing if they won the league. Come on, it will be very good thing if they won the league. But you know what it is. It's your boy LBK. Thank you for watching this video. You better watch this video. Thank you for watching. I'm out of here.